The Similloid is a hypothetical robot for thought experiments and benchmarking. It has everything humans have, and it can do everything humans can do. It has an organic body including a nervous system, a circulatory system, a hormone system, a brain that works similar to ours, and a life expectancy of about 75 years. It is produced with so much variation that no single copy is the same as another. There are differences in skin colour, length, thickness, and whatever else you can think of. Neurologically, there are also variations. One functions better if there is clarity and predictability, another needs some more stimulation, yet another has a very rich imagination. Some are more extroverted, others more introverted. One develops a bit faster than the other, and so on. This means Similloids can form versatile teams, but it can also lead to copies that do not fit well in Similloid society, and if a somewhat unfortunate combination of traits occurs, they could require a lot of help. But a positive side is that a single extreme case could turn out to be a genius who helps Similloid society to advance tremendously. In addition, there are male and female specimens that can breed in a joint effort. There is often a certain attraction, usually between two of different sexes, but there is also quite a bit of variation on this. And just like us, they want to survive and to feel good. Imagine we have a new planet. It's very Earth-like. It has familiar life forms, but no intelligent ones capable of developing a culture. We want to colonize this planet, starting with 400 Similloids. Our goal can be to have them populate the entire planet and build an infrastructure. But it could also be for reality entertainment, since we can observe them all at the time. A third goal could be that we want them to develop a society that's better than ours, more peaceful, more balanced, more harmonious, and perhaps even more advanced. In order to achieve these goals, we have permission to change one aspect of the Similloid. This may be anything, mental or physical. We have a virtual environment in which we can test this simulation. It can be fast forwarded so we can quickly see what has happened after a few thousand years. So what would your goal be, and with which change do you think this could be accomplished? You may form small teams, discuss this, form a consensus on these decisions and write down the result. Next, each team pass their ideas on to the next team for a critical evaluation. How feasible are the ideas? Will the changes really result in the desired outcome? What does it look like after 1,000, 5,000 and 10,000 years? The evaluating team may present their findings in a plenary session.